Hello, welcome to This Whole Geek. I'm Mike Esker, and today we're going to do a little unboxing. I just got this package in the mail, and I got it from eBay, something I ordered off of eBay. So I'm going to take my trusty knife here and cut this open, see what's in here. I should be cutting away from myself. Be a little more safer. And yeah, got a nice little note that I just cut into. This is thank you from Steve. You're welcome, Steve. Thank you. Well, we'll find out. Let's see what kind of condition this fellow is in. I hope he did. All right. So this is a Danny O'Day ventriloquist doll or dummy, whichever you want to call it. And I don't know, he might be like maybe 30 inches tall. Let's see, what kind of shape is he in? Okay, so I thought I would give a little more extensive look into the issues here. Now, these are his feet. I thought maybe they were just worn, but really, you can see that his feet, and there's glue on his feet. His feet were glued into, I'm assuming, the shoes maybe, and they were just like pulled off, and whatever was material the shoes was made of inside came off onto his feet. So that's what happened there. And then his pants on this leg here looks pretty chewed up. I don't know if that can be repaired. If it's possible to repair something like this, just let me know in the comments, or you can email me through my YouTube channel, I do believe. I also have a Facebook page, and yeah, I don't know. Also on the back of his jacket, I have this. Looks like a little chunk taken out, a little dirty, and some holes worn out there. I don't know if that's possible to fix any of this. Maybe I can just sew that or something. There's a way to patch it up, just let me know. Alright, let's see what else we got going here. So far he doesn't look too horrible, except for the feet and the tears in his suit. I had to pull his pants up a bit, they were down, falling off. This looks pretty good. I love the bow tie. The bow tie is pretty awesome. Had this little tag in there, which I did not pay that much. I paid less than that. Of course, I did have to pay for shipping. And this just snaps on. And I'm not sure what the story is on this. A little tag, just a little tag, I guess. But this is like, I don't know why that would be open underneath like that. I don't really understand that. If anybody knows, let me know. It's just a tag. It's trying to find out how old he is. Usually it's in the back of his head somewhere, which I did not see anything back here. Of course, my eyes aren't the greatest. And I was trying to find something on this tag. There is a tag right here, but I can't really, it's too faded, I can't make anything out. Except I can see the name and Jimmy Nelson. I don't see any like year or anything like that. Looks like there was more to it. Thread's coming off. He's got some soiling on his face. I need to clean him. And also his mouth does not work. So I'm going to have to remove his head. I'm going to have to clean it up, find out what's going on in there. And I don't know if it's going to be the same as my Charlie McCarthy doll or not. the same. Might be set up the same, I'm not sure. We'll find out, but it does have a pull string. This is the cheaper ones, they use the pull string. These are just basically just, so they're toys for kids, you know, who want to learn how to be a ventriloquist. I used to have one when I was a kid myself. And this pull string needs cleaning as well. So I will do another video. I will try to fix up as much as I can. Mostly going to be repairing its mouth. So, alright. Well, until then, have a great day. If you like my videos, you want to support the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe. And I'll see you again. Thank you.